What's up guys? Check out these Michelle Series patio lounge chairs. So they come in multiple colors. These ones are white, but it also comes with gray and other colors as well. Has a nice little pillow that you could put and you can adjust it to different levels. This one's at the top. It also comes with a cup holder. It has weights at the bottom, so if you want them in the water, it can weigh it down so that it doesn't float up. Fill them with rocks or sand, up to you. And if you don't want them in the water, you could also just have them outside. They're really nice quality, very good looking, so go ahead, check them out.